Hi everybody. Today, I will show everyone how to download Google Chrome browser on Windows 10 computers. Then after everyone reinstalls Windows, then everyone's computer must reinstall Google Chrome browser. Everyone will go to the default browser settings on Windows. Next, you will go to the Google Chrome homepage. Next, people will choose to download Chrome. After downloading, please click to install. Everyone choose yes. So we have installed the Google Chrome browser. Everyone can log into their account to use. Or no need to log in. Everyone chooses don't sign in. Select skip. Select got it. Just as simple as that, we can download and install Google Chrome for Windows 10 computers.